Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy and today I will show you my Rubik's Cube collection. So without wasting any time, let's start. Okay, so first Rubik's Cube is this bubble Rubik's Cube. It is so nice, like I have never solved it, but still I like it. So let's move on to the next Rubik's Cube. Oh my god, I literally like it. It's a triangle Rubik's Cube, or you can say an pyramid one. Okay, let's wow. I have already solved it. Like, it is not solved completely, but like you could see. Like, twisting it, it is so smooth and like I really like it. So let's move on to the next one. Oh my god, I don't know which one it is. Let's open it. Oh, it's a simple one. So let's try to solve it. Wait a second. I have solved one side. Orange. And this is a Rubik's Cube. I bought this from Dubai, from Burj Khalifa, like you could see it. There are patterns. See, Burj Khalifa. This and this. Like, I really like this one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is a mini Rubik's Cube. Like, this is so cute. Like, most of the small Rubik's Cube come in like keyring types, but this is not a keyring one. So it is nice. Oh, it's nice. Yes, that's fine. So next Rubik's Cube, it's again the simple one. I really like it. It's not that smooth. Like, I like this one more than this one. You could see. Okay. So next Rubik's Cube was this 2x2 one, but it is broken. Sadly, it is broken. Next is again the simple one. Okay, this is more smoother than this one. Let's do it. Oh yeah. So next, and I think the final one is this one. It is like one of my best Rubik's Cube. Okay, see like how it is looking. It's so shiny. You could even see the reflection. It's in golden color and I really love to play with it. that was all. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.